So the other day I was watching a video here on YouTube and the guy was talking about branched chain amino acids, BCAAs, and he was claiming how they help with building muscle, losing fat, and providing you energy throughout your day. Here's the problem. That's not true at all. Okay, the research actually shows that to not be true. The premise is that because you're consuming amino acids when it comes to branched chain amino acids, you're therefore helping with protein synthesis, which then leads to muscle growth. The research, on the other hand, actually shows that to not be true. Okay, yes, amino acids absolutely helps with protein synthesis, which then leads to muscle growth. However, you need to consume all of the amino acids, which are 22, in order for that to be effective, in order for muscle growth and protein synthesis to occur. Okay, remember, branched chain amino acids only contain 3 amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. There have been studies out right now that show that consuming just the BCAAs when it comes to protein synthesis and wanting to build muscle is ineffective. It's basically useless. Right, and I'll link one of these studies down in the description down below. And I'm also linking an article down below that I think you should read. It's written by Brad Schoenfeld, Lee Hamilton, and Kevin Tipton. All 3 of which are very, very smart and very prominent researchers in the exercise and nutrition world. In this article here, they talk about how BCAAs are just hype, and reality a waste of your money. They talk about how they've done studies, including one showing that whey protein powder is actually more effective for building muscle than just consuming BCAAs. And they also note that there are studies out there showing that consuming BCAAs on top of consuming your protein is actually ineffective and actually doesn't do anything. The authors note that following exercise, you need whole protein sources that provide a high dose of BCAAs and sufficient amounts of all the other amino acids. For example, meat, dairy, or eggs. Bottom line is, if you want to consume an effective amount of protein that's actually going to help you with building muscle, then you need to primarily get it from your food, not from supplementation. Now, if you do want to consume protein through supplementation, then you're better off with whey protein powder or egg protein powder, because unlike branched chain amino acids, it contains all 22 of the amino acids. Now, there are also studies out there that claim that BCAAs help with body composition, meaning they help with increasing your muscle mass while decreasing your body fat. But the authors of this article that I have linked down below have noted that these studies have been criticized for improper statistical analysis and inconsistencies in reporting of data. So in other words, these studies are full of crap. The truth is, BCAAs are a waste of your money. You're better off getting your protein from your food, not from supplementation. All right, guys, that's what I want to talk about today when it comes to BCAAs. That's the actual truth. They're hype and a waste of money. Don't bother with it. Just get your protein from your food. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have a ton more content on the way, and I'll see you guys next time.